Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to change your server in Genshin Impact. Whether you are playing on your iOS or Android, this process will help you out. First of all, launch open Genshin Impact on your device. Now, make sure that you are inside your login screen before starting the game. There you will see an option that says Asia or any other server. Simply tap on it. Now from the Select Server tab, choose the server or the region you want to switch to. Now click on Confirm. Each server has separate accounts. Switching server starts a fresh account in the new region. After you tap on Confirm, you can then tap on the screen to begin. The game will load your account specific to that region, and there you go. You have successfully learned how to change your server in Genshin Impact. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.